Let's go.
And a portrait. No.
All right, we have a double.
Double.
Oh, you got to go to first? First and then second. Or second. All right, nice running bases. Now we have a triple. And we have a single over to first base.
Single. No, single this way. What's that single?
First base. That's a home run.
But what about that base? And we're going to be showing you the rest of our day. Okay. So, 2 parts. Watch out.
All right, over and out.
No.
Oh.
That was so good.
Okay, we'll do single.
Single or here?
Nope, that's a home run. First base.